This is episode 1629. Welcome to the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and here you are getting ready to do one of the best things you could possibly do for yourself, and that is to meditate. In today's episode, you are going to be guided using a calming breathing technique. Calming your breath is one of the fastest ways to calm your mind and your body. And the breathing technique I'll be sharing with you today, I often refer to as the instant Om breath, because you instantly feel peace. Now, with this breathing technique, I will mention that I encourage you to adjust it to your own pace. What you'll be doing is you will be inhaling and exhaling through your nose to keep your breath nice and soft. You will inhale to the count of 5. Hold your breath to the count of 5, and then you'll exhale to the count of 5. And you'll do this breathing technique 5 times. So it's often referred to as the even breath, because you inhale, hold your breath, exhale, and do for the same count all of these actions as you breathe. So adjust this to your own pace. If you feel a little winded and it's harder to hold your breath to the count of 5, then decrease the count. Hold it to the count of 3, or maybe to the count of 4. Go at your own pace, always. If at any time you feel a little lightheaded, simply resume your natural breathing. So that is how you do the breathing technique today. Before I guide you through it, I want to share with you one of the ingredients for living your life with gratitude. And that is to have the right attitude. When you think about having the right attitude as you live your life, think about engaging yourself fully in life. Many times, people make the mistake of thinking that just because you may meditate or you may do really anything else in your life, that you're suddenly going to receive the benefits of meditation or whatever else you're doing in your life. And you will receive benefits from meditation when you do it consistently. But there's something else vitally important you must do when you meditate, and that is you must engage yourself dynamically. Meditation is by no means passive. So when you sit down to meditate, you will notice that if you just sit there, you are kind of just zoning out, waiting for something to happen. And that's where your mind wanders. That's where you start to feel fidgety, or that's when you start to be thinking about all those things on your to-do list that you should be doing besides sitting down to meditate. So when you sit down to meditate, have the right attitude. Engage yourself, just as you have to engage yourself to be distracted. You have to allow your thoughts to follow that current of energy, that distraction that just came your way. When you sit down to meditate, allow yourself to fully become immersed in an experience of peace and stillness. And you create this peace and stillness. You do it with your right attitude. It won't necessarily happen just out of the blue. It won't just land upon you. So actively engage yourself as you do the breathing technique. I'll guide you through 2 rounds of the technique, and then you take it from there. Do 5 full rounds. I'll do 2 with you. And then make sure to sit in stillness. That is true meditation, when you simply allow yourself to be. The techniques get you to that point. True meditation is simply being with your full right attitude and your full focus. So as you settle yourself down to meditate, begin to relax your mind and your body. Sit up straight, having a straight spine. And with your eyes closed, begin to notice your breath. Notice how you feel. And inhale to the count of 5, or whatever count is best for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Beautiful. Now allow yourself to sink into your stillness, fully engaged, active in your peace. You are so worth slowing down for.